There's an old saying that you can't make friends with salad, and I say it a lot. However, this salad here, you're sure to make friends with. It's my Qukes salad. Now, I'm going to use plenty of herbs here, and this is dill. That's what gives it a great flavour, and I think you can't make this salad without the dill. So about a handful of dill straight into there. Now, I'm using these Qukes, which are fantastic. I love them. They're baby cucumbers. They've got heaps of flavour and really, really juicy. And the thing I love about them, plenty of crunch as well. I normally just snack on them. I pull them out of the fridge and snack on them and crunch them away. Now, just keep slicing it through. Now, this cucumber salad I've made by peeling them as well, but these Qukes are so small and crispy, you just need to slice them through into little coins or discs or whatever you want to call them. And I love them. Plenty of crunch. Another great thing I've done is pickle them as well, but that takes too much time. So I'm just going to throw them all into the bowl here, and I'll show you what I put in them next. I'm going to use plenty of herbs, some parsley, some spring onion, and some red onion that's been finely diced. Just put that straight into the top of it. Now, to make the dressing and make it taste really good, I use white vinegar, about 2-3 tablespoons of white vinegar, and to sweeten it up a little bit, about a tablespoon of sugar. You're probably thinking sugar in a salad? Well, it makes it nice and sweet. Now, good twist of black pepper. Just keep turning it around until your hands get nice and sore. The more pepper in here, the better. That's fantastic. And of course, some extra virgin olive oil to lubricate it. There we go, good big splush of that. About 3 or 4 tablespoons. And of course, some salt, a big pinch of salt. Salt is what makes it really tasty. And then it's a matter of just stirring it around nice and gently till everything comes together. Now, you will find by putting salt on the cucumbers, it will soften them a little bit. I reckon that makes it so much better. And cucumbers and salt go really, really well together. Don't forget to put the salt on there. I'll grab this bowl here like that and then spoon on the salad. A nice cucumber salad, great on its own with some crumbled feta over the top, or maybe you want to serve it with some fish or a barbecue. That is a really, really quick little salad, very easy to put together. Who wouldn't be my friend if I served that up?